afternoon. My name's Marie, and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how you doing today? Look at it right. Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, have a go at opening the new Craft Kitsune box. This, unfortunately, I think is going to be one of my last, if not the last, Craft Kitsune box for quite some time, because finances the way they are. I've had to cancel a few subscriptions. I've had to cancel the Disney one from Sophie and Toffee, and I've had to cancel this one. I have still got the main subscription from Sophie and Toffee, the Owls box. That's the only one I'm keeping, but yeah, just, you know, things are what they are. So here we go. Okay. Oh, I think I remember this one. Yeah, I was going to skip this one, but I didn't log on in time to do it. But it's nice. I'll enjoy it. And if nothing else, with this mold, they make good back handles, you know, for the crochet bags, and you have the big hoops. These should be comfortable. I have to try it. But yeah, I'm gonna make the cloud thingy that they've put in here anyway. I'll have a go at it. I might do something different, I don't know. Right, let's have a look. Let's keep going. Okay, looks like we've got, let's open this. They've given us 1-to-1 resin. Why haven't they given us, oh, I don't know. I'm short on time a lot of the time at the minute, so I might end up doing that in UV resin, but they've given us 1-to-1 resin, which is fine because I'll use it for other projects. And they've given us some gold and silver bales, so that's cool. They've given us, what gauge is this? Does it tell us? I'd say that was I'd say that was 4 mil. Could be wrong, could be 3 mil. Yeah, it's not a thick gauge, it's a nice thing to gauge, so there we go. Oh, and we've also got some, oh god, they're really delicate. And they're not in the best shape either. Looks like chain, possibly. Oh, that's alright, it's actually chain. I thought these were the rings, and they're not, they're chain. That's okay. Delicate chain's gorgeous. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is jam-packed full. Okay, let's take everything out and then we'll go through things one at a time. Yeah, that's everything out of that box. Yep. Okay. Right. We've got some jump rings. They're large, but they're thin. Okay. Sorry. I'm using my jewellery maker brain from when I used to be able to make jewellery. A large gauge, but they're very thin. So hopefully they've been strengthened, because otherwise they won't hold a lot. Okay. We've got, looks like not very well made. Not keen on that, but other than that, it's pretty. Not keen on the way they've been put together. Other than that, it's pretty. And that's pretty. Yeah, it's just a solid ring by the looks. Yeah, the joins aren't great, but what can you ask for? I know, I'm being really particular at the minute. It's just my mood today, sorry. like I say, I wasn't looking forward to this one. That's pretty, but it's broken. A hole in it has broken off, which happens with glass. So I don't use glass. I wouldn't have bought glass. And that one's almost broken, look. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, I think. But that one's broken, so I can't use that one. That one is definitely broken. And I don't even think the bit's in here, so it's broken before it even got rolled up, I think. Unless it's... don't put them in. I mean, they're pretty when you get one that's broken. Not great, so yeah, Swarovski type beads, diamond type shape, I think. Take that one out. Not the best quality, I've seen better. Yeah. Things like this, I don't tend to buy them unless I don't see the point in buying cheap. That's a nice one. That's looking good. You know, you can make pretty ones easy enough. I just don't see the point in substituting. If you're gonna have cheap replicas, then, you know, make them. It's cheaper. Because I really don't like that. That has not been done with any sort of finesse in any way, shape or form. Yeah. Okay. I mean, as that's going to be on display, it's not like that's going to be hidden. That's going to be on display because that's how it'll be hanging. So. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea, these kind of things. I'll probably be doing something completely different because I'm saving those for maybe something else. I don't know, probably not using them at all. Eek, sorry. I think it's Liz that does this. Sorry, Liz, it's just not, you know, just not my cup of tea. Okay, yeah, those are the instructions. Supplies, raindrop crystals. See, they're not, yeah, if I'm gonna get Swarovski like, I get Swarovskis, because getting anything less than a Swarovski type is throwing your money away. You might as well make them. Just my opinion. Just my opinion, because they are no better than what you can actually make with resin. So yeah, even down to these, you know, you get a decent mold. I might use them to make a mold actually, but yeah, especially when you get a broken one. But you know, I'm not going to quibble at that. It's a well supplied box. It's just with materials that I wouldn't buy myself. And yeah, I'm a bit of a snob that way, but I just find it's you either buy good quality or you make it yourself. You know, I've got wire that I can make better than this, and I've made shapes better than this myself. I've got, you know, better jump rings than this, and I can make better jump rings than this. These are, look, I'll show you exactly what I mean. These just aren't gonna hold anything. Look, yeah. Split rings, that's one good thing. well, actually it's a pain in the arse, but look, they're just not going to, and I've got weak hands. They're just not going to hold anything. They're just not going to hold a lot at all. So yeah, I won't be using those. Chain, it's not bad. Chain's fine. Jump rings, no. Wire, it's absolutely fine. It's a fine wire, but that's fine. It's good for a lot of things. Bails, yeah, standard bails. They're lovely, not a problem. That's not bad, I suppose. You can get away with ones like that. And I might use that in something, but the rest of them, no, won't be using. And like I say, this will come in handy. You know, I'll use it for other things. I will do a project from this. You'll see it next week. But for now, I wouldn't say disgruntled. I would just say, personally, for me, I wouldn't have purchased these individually, let alone in a box. So that's why I was going to skip it, but I didn't get logged on in time, so I didn't get a chance to skip it. My fault, totally my fault. Just not my cup of tea. I haven't got a lot of money to spend, and if I'm going to spend it, I spend it on, you know, something decent, rather than this is just, yeah. Just me being negative today. Sorry about that. Keep smiling, Marie. Other than that, it's a brilliant idea. I love the idea. I love the concept of it. It's great. Should have just been better supplies. If you'd have gone with fewer of these, you know, a lot less of these. But actual Swarovskis, because you can get them at reasonable price if you're buying them in bulk, and if you're doing a lot of boxes, then you would buy them in bulk. So less of them, but better quality, absolutely would have 100% been worth my money. Less but better quality, 100%. And we really didn't need these at all. So yeah, that's just my opinion, guys. You know, tell me what you think. That's just the way I think. Not throwing I'm throwing criticism, but it's constructive criticism. It's not just I'm not having a go in any way, shape or form. I'm throwing constructive criticism. You know, gonna do a box like this, absolutely fantastic, but sometimes less is more, sometimes more is less. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just my mindset today. I've had a rough week, and like I say, it wasn't a box that I wanted. I would have rather had the next box, but can't afford it now, so hey ho. I will make the best of this box and enjoy it. Okay, guys, sorry for that little rant. Yeah. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve in the comments, but please be kind. I'm not a professional. I'm just doing this for some fun. Okay. There we go. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.